Happy holidays, y'all. This will be a vlog of me installing my 13x4 highlighter unit. Stay tuned. Mwah. What up, y'all? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. And like I said before, I will be installing my 13x4 frontal unit, and this will be a detailed unit from beginning to end, from how I do my cap. And of course, the glue that I am using is our Laid and Slayed lace adhesive glue. So make sure y'all go get y'all some. It's on sale, buy one get one free. And this is before I cut the cap, and I put it behind my ear once I cut it, just for a secure, just something I had seen, and I started doing it, and hey, it works for me. It might not work for you, but it works for me. I will be stepping in and out, of course, to give a few gems of how I installed my unit. And the unit that I did install is from my collection. It's our Rene'a units. It comes in a few different textures, from Bodywave, straight, deep wave, and I think curly. I believe so. The unit that I am installing is 24 inches, and it is Bodywave, and it's just so perfect. The highlights just hit my skin so perfect. And I use 3 layers. I don't do real thick layers, but I do a good amount of layers to make sure it sticks, holds, especially because I go work out. So I want my lace on there. I want my wig to stay on there. I'm going to start sewing it down in the back so I can get that firmer hold, but sometimes I just don't be wanting to. But yes, again, I do 3 layers, and this is how long it is because I am 5'1". So continue to watch as I slay this unit, and make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know how y'all like everything. And again, I'll be stepping in and out to drop some gems of what I did. I purchased those crimps from Amazon. I will drop the link in the description. Y'all, I cut that lace up, and I just think it was just so perfect. I didn't do no baby hairs look. I wanted the straight, no baby hairs look, like a straight natural hairline. What you see me dabbing on my hair is our milk spray from my collection, and y'all, this stuff works like wonders, especially if you are not a glue girly. You can go the glueless method and just dab a little bit on that lace, on that hairline, and tie it down. I promise y'all, it does the trick, I promise. And again, this product is buy one get one free also. Y'all don't pay attention to me. I'm over there cracking up. I'm on the phone with my friends, and we be gossiping sometimes, y'all. Y'all know how it go. What you see me doing now is defining my part. I use hairspray. You can get that at your local beauty supply store in the shade that you're looking for. And boom, here is the final result, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Are y'all feeling it? I put a few layers in the front, and y'all, I love the look. I think I look so good. The highlights are just eating. Make sure y'all go get that Rene'a unit. And like I said, it comes at body wave, deep wave, straight, or curly. I promise you, y'all will love our units. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, like, subscribe, and comment. Bye, y'all.